So hey guys, what's good? What's going on? Welcome to another video, y'all. Talking about my background. You know I always do my videos on my vision board. I think I'm gonna add some more today. This side is Elton's side. He gotta add some more to that. But I had to get in a position so I can get some of this natural sunlight, y'all. But anyway, if you're new, give this video a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss no videos of mine, y'all. Listen, y'all. I know you guys are looking forward to a stimulus check. You guys are waiting to hear when you're going to get the stimulus check, when you're going to get this. Y'all need money right now. So, listen, there is not going to be no stimulus check within the next 2 to 3 months, y'all. Seriously. Yes, they signed the bill where you know, us Americans will get a stimulus check. But listen, if you make under $40,000 a year, you probably won't see that check till June. If you make over that, you probably gonna see that check till September, y'all. So it's really no point of, waiting for a stimulus check, y'all, because, you still gotta wait. We got bills to pay now. We got food we need now. We got things and regular essential, the bare necessities that we need now. And waiting on that stimulus check it's not even gonna be worth it, because we ain't getting it right now. We ain't getting it today. We ain't getting it this week. We ain't getting it this month. It's gonna take about 2 months or so before we even see a stimulus check, y'all. So listen. The economy has changed. The world has changed. So many businesses has been affected by this pandemic. So if you are a barbershop owner, a hairdresser, nail salon, independent owner doing things that, you have product and services, things like that. And most retail stores, most of these things will not be opening. Once all this stuff is over, it may not be opening again. So you have to ask yourself, is that one of your jobs? If you have a gig, a bartender, things of that nature, your job may not be open again. So the question is to you, what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do now, y'all? Seriously, now is the time to really take this time that we home and, on a standstill to learn something new. Figure out what it is you're going to do. Because when the new world comes back, you're still going to be trying to figure it out and try to get things together. No. Do not waste this time trying to just sit around watching TV all day, playing games. Like, you guys really need to take this serious and figure out what it is that you are going to do, because this is serious. People are dying from this. People are getting bankrupt. People who have lost money. I'm talking about people who was million and billionaires are now down to zero, no money, no worth, no net worth, no nothing, y'all. So this is something really serious that you want to think about. People like you and me, the average minority, the average people, what are you going to do? Especially if you are living paycheck to paycheck. It's like, now you ain't got no job. Unemployment is through the roof. You can barely get on a phone with them. It's like, what are you guys going to do, y'all? So I really need you guys to take this serious and don't take this lightly. You know what I mean? Online is really, really booming right now. And if you have anything that is valuable to sell, you can make some money online, y'all. This is why I always talk about total life changes. All it costs for you is $50 to get started and get a product, get you a liquid vitamin, some NutriBurst, some tea. You know what I mean? And share with other people. You know what I mean? But a lot of people need to keep their immune system built anyway. Before the coronavirus, you should have been wanting to be healthy. You know what I mean? But online is where it's at right now. You can't go nowhere. You can't do nothing. And even when you get the stimulus check, when you get the money, where you gonna go? What you gonna do? You can't go outside still. You can't go shopping and buy clothes and buy all the stuff because it's not really necessary. It doesn't really mean anything anymore. We're all in the house. The only thing you can buy is groceries. And they're about to, I heard they're gonna start shutting down those just to keep everybody in their house so nobody goes outside to spread this virus, y'all. So this stuff is really, really serious, y'all. Take it how you want to, but I know for me during this time, I am still developing myself, creating new ideas, getting things together to, help grow me and my family. Because when this is over, I want to say, you know what? During this pain, because this is going to be in history, just like the Great Depression and the World War, all that stuff is in history. This is going down in history, y'all. So what do you want to say that you did during this time? You know what I mean? This is a time, I understand, of sadness and things that are going on, but this can also be a time of growth, you know what I mean, of learning, of trying something new, you know what I mean, expanding your mind and yourself, y'all. So you really need to take this time seriously and do something that's going to better you and your family, y'all. Total Life Changes is the easiest company and the cheapest company that you can get started with. $50 to spend on, look, I got a whole box here of product, y'all, that I bagged up. I got tea bags in here that I bagged up, ready to send out. I got bags of tea here. I got bags of tea. I have NutriBurst here, y'all. I have samples. You know what I mean? This is a product-based business, y'all. And even though we can't go out, and even when I do go to the grocery store, which I don't think I'll be going anymore because I just did all my big shopping, When I go outside, I still, say hi to people and still mention what it is that I do. And if they, if I'm home and I'm online talking to you guys like I do now, talking to other people and they want it, the post office is still open. You can still ship out. You can still send. So I send out my samples, y'all. If you want to try a 5-day supply of the instant detox tea, $25. That includes shipping. Send me a DM, call, text the number, and I'll ship it out to you. You'll have it in a few days, y'all. There's still ways out here to make money and run your business. Don't just sit home and be lazy, sad, complaining, watching the news, hoping and praying that it's over, and you're not doing anything, y'all. This is the time to really move your ass and do something, seriously. You know what I mean? Because your life truly depends on it, and your family, too. If you have children and kids, I have a 1-year-old daughter. My first child, only child. And now she's going to have to come up into this world. It's going to be totally different than the world as I know. So she has to get used to the new world that we're about to be in. So I put myself in position to start me a home-based business, something that is recession-proof. So when I, set it up where she ain't got to really do much, everything's automatic, she will have something to fall back on. You know what I mean? Building for your legacy, y'all. So I got products and I'm ready to ship them out. So I encourage you guys to really think about what it is that you're doing. TLC just paid out over $130K in daily pay, y'all. Over 2,000 people got paid today in daily pay, simply selling products that work. Go get you some flyers made, y'all. If you live in a building, if you live in a house, if you live in a gated area, go get you some flyers made from Staples. Go put them in people's doors. You got to be creative. Put them in the doors, put them in the mailbox, put them in the parking lots, in the cars. This is my flyers, y'all. So I can share with people, you know what? These products has helped this girl lose over 70 pounds. These products has helped this girl clear her face in 2 months. These are, stay in contact with me. These are all our other products. You have to be in business, y'all. We ain't doing nothing else but being home. Yes, spend time with your family, but at least commit 3 to 4 hours a day, solely into doing your business. And that is all it takes, you know what I mean? 3 to 4 hours a day, learning, watching videos, taking notes, developing a new skill, reading, listening to stuff, guys. This is the time, y'all. I feel like everything happens for a reason, and that reason was for some of us to stop, calm down, take a break, and really analyze our life and our situation, because plenty of you probably wasn't even happy with the jobs that you worked at. You wasn't happy, at home. You wasn't happy, with your bank account. You wasn't happy with your health. You wasn't happy with your wealth, y'all. So now is the time to work on that. And with TLC, you can do that. You can detox like I'm doing right now. I'm drinking my tea. And then I'm about to work out after I get everything done that I need to get situated with. But look, guys, you can stay home. You can stay home, detox your body, get your NutriBurst and take your multi-liquid vitamins. Talk to people, y'all. Get in your phones and call your family members. Like, first of all, I want you to really check on them genuinely, see how everybody's doing. Talk to old friends you haven't spoken to in a minute, see how they're doing. And listen, what are you doing that's going to help you make an extra $500 this week? What are you doing that's going to help you make an extra $500 every day while we on this pandemic break? Are you working? What you doing? Things like that. Just check in, because this vehicle is helping a lot of people, y'all. It has helped me, and it's still helping millions and thousands of people, y'all. Do you know last month was a world record month for Total Life Changes, y'all? $33 million made in 1 month, y'all. That is just mind-blowing. It's awesome. And just in 1 freaking month, TLC made $33 million. You know how many paychecks people got that they've never seen before? You know how many lives that got changed during that time, y'all? Why not let you be one of them? Why you can't be the person that somebody can say, you know what, Stacy, you really changed my life. You got me started. Tommy, or Jordan, yo, really thank you for saying yes, for putting me on. You don't know who this opportunity could help. And now every day TLC is giving out their own $1,200 stimulus check just because you got started with TLC and you introduced these products to 5 new people. Your name could be drawn to win $1,200 every single day. And they're going to put it back in. They're not going to just take it out, you win $1,200 and goes back. No. If your name is pulled, Octavia Graham, $1,200, they're going to put my name right back in the box, y'all. And I could win again tomorrow. So Jack is just a freaking genius, and I love him so much for, having a dream and a vision to making products that people, need and that work. You know what I mean? So don't sleep on this time, y'all. Don't be that person that says, I should have did this, I could have did that. You're going to be really mad and assed out once this go over, and you still broke, still complaining, still fat, still ain't got no money. You know what I mean? Don't let this time go by. You gain 50 to 100 pounds. You depressed. You can't do nothing. People are killing their families because of this crisis. It's crazy. People are committing suicide. Some guy tried to set his wife on freaking fire because he didn't qualify for the stimulus check that he's not even going to see in the next 2-3 months. Like, it's ridiculous, y'all. It's crazy, but it's the times we live in now. This is our new normal for now, but this is going to pass. Trust me, it's gonna pass. But are you gonna grow during this time? Are you gonna do something different during this time? Stop watching the news and all the stuff that's going on to distract your mind, to be scared. You know, the media is made to scare people and put all this information in people's heads to block your mind from the bigger picture, y'all. The bigger picture is you need to develop you. You need to do something different for you and your family, y'all. A lot of jobs are lost. A lot of money's lost. A lot of everything is lost as we know it. So now it's like a time for us to restart, to refresh. I feel like now is the perfect time for all of us to refresh our minds, our relationships, our finances, our money. Everything needs to be refreshed, okay? And your house, you know, a lot of you guys been saying you're gonna clean your house for the past 6 months and ain't get to it. You know, clean his closet out for the past 6 months. They didn't get to it. You know what I mean? So now is the time, y'all. Things I said I wanted to do, I'm going to get to. I want to start a podcast. I had that on my list for about the last 5 months. Didn't do it yet. Now I got time, okay? I have the time to get that ball rolling. So listen, $50 to get started with TLC. You get 2 products. I say get the NutriBurst and the Detox Tea. Get the NutriBurst and the Detox Tea. You're going to get samples like this. You're going to get 10 samples of the CBD tea, the regular tea, and the NRG and the coffee. You know what I mean? Get your samples so you can give it out to people where you live at. Hey, you know what? I just started this business. These products are awesome and amazing. I drink the tea myself. I lost 2 pounds in 3 days. Take this tea. Give me a call. Let me know what you think. Simple as that. You know what I mean? So you're going to get your starter kit. You're going to get your free website. Everything's going to be up and running, y'all. Get you these 2 products when you get started. Get your standard starter kit because I want you to have physical, you know, product on hand, physical kit on hand. Get your standard starter kit and go get you some Detox Tea and some NutriBurst. And if you absolutely can't afford to get both, get the NutriBurst. At least get 2 bottles of NutriBurst. But don't get one without the other because like I said, the Detox Tea, this is for your own personal use. Now you can't purchase another bag so you can break it up how I did and sell them. But get for your personal use because you need to have your own experience and your own testimony. You know what, using these products, y'all. So get your starter kit and get your Detox Tea and NutriBurst. And once you get started, send me a DM and I'll plug you into everything. I'll go live with my team at least twice a week so we could talk about, you know, strategies, goals, ideas, just to get you on the right track, y'all. But listen, you need to start your home-based business because it is recession-proof. The only way it will not work is if you don't work. The only thing that is stopping you is you. So don't sit around waiting for no stimulus check. Make your own stimulus check, y'all. You can make up to $500 to $1,000 every single week. That is your own stimulus check to do whatever it is that you want. But you have to put the work in and you have to be coachable and be teachable. And don't expect to be making all these millions of dollars overnight. It don't work that way. But you have to start somewhere. Everything that was big was once small, y'all. So take this time seriously to develop yourself. Read more books. I'm about to reread my book, You're a Badass at Making Money. You know what I mean? Spend time reading my book, reading my word, and spend time with my family, and also spend those 3 hours on my business so I can just post, do what I got to do, and keep it pushing, okay? So click the link down below to get your $50 starter kit and at least 2 products. Like I said, the NutriBurst or the Detox Tea, or the NutriBurst and the Chaga, which is good for boosting your immune health anyway, or just get 2 bottles of NutriBurst. You know what I mean? And get your standing kit, and then boom, you are in business, y'all. Do not waste this time. This is a serious, serious time. People are dying. People are committing suicide. People are killing their families because they don't have any money. You know, especially I heard a guy, he went and killed his whole family because he was a breadwinner in the family, and then when he found out, you know, his money is just shot, is gone, he killed his whole family. That is not nothing to joke around with. People really take this thing serious, and you should take it serious too. So don't be the one that's left in the dark when this is over and still trying to figure out, what am I gonna do, what am I gonna do? No, figure that shit out right now. Figure all this out right now while you got the time. You ain't got no distractions. You ain't got no, oh, I gotta go to work in the morning. No, all that stuff is done. So now it's just solely you. Now's the time to really challenge yourself and say, you know what? Let me see what I'm really capable of doing, okay? So not wait, don't waste this time. Click the link down below and get started now. Like I said, my goal is to help 50 people in the month of April start their business from home, and that is my goal, and I will achieve that, okay? And I want you guys to achieve your goals as well. So let's work, create your own stimulus check, y'all, and drop it down below. And I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Too crowded.